Inhale up. Exhale down. Yes, my shoes are off. You know I mean business to get that stretch in our muscles and our joints. Exhale down. 3 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 1 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now swing those arms from left to right. Twist. Every time you twist, exhale. And we're twisting at the navel center. Here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those feet together. Reach up high. Right hand grabs the left wrist. Inhale up. Exhale over to your right. Send your hips to your left. Turn your gaze up. Open up your heart center. Keep reaching to those fingertips. Here for 4, 3, 2, and release the pose. Other side. So left hand grabs the right wrist. Inhale up. Exhale over to your left. Send your hips to the right. Turn your gaze up. Open up your heart center. Reach. Here for 3. Breathe. 2, 1, and release. And wave those hands from left to right. Place your feet about hip width apart. And just wave your palms. Because I'm thinking of my arms as palm trees. So wave those palms. Wave those arms from left to right. Here for 3, 2, and 1. Release the pose. Nice. Okay, now feet about hip width apart. You're gonna go ahead and reach for those toes, hinging at the hips, knees slightly bent. We're stretching through the hamstrings and the glutes. Hold. Here for 3. So this is what it looks like. Holding here. 2, 1. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. 1 more time. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand, float those hands up. Exhale, float those hands down. All right, now let's get into our shoulder stretch. So left arm out, right arm on top, and then bend that right elbow. You're stretching the back of your shoulder. Hold. Yep. Shoulder away from your ear. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, now other side. Right arm out. Left arm on top of your right arm. Bend your right elbow. Lower that left shoulder down away from your ears. And then gently pull with your right arm. So you're stretching the back of your shoulder. Here for 3, 2, 1, and release. Both hands reach up high to the sky. Bend that right elbow. Left hand grabs the right elbow. Gently pull, chest up. Here for 3, 2, 1, and switch. Bend that left elbow. Right hand grabs the left elbow. Gently pull. Keep that chest up, navel into spine. Here for 3, 2, 1, and release. We'll do a little gentle neck stretch. How about that? Okay, guys? So here we go. Stand tall. Tilt your chin up. Place your left hand on top of your right side of your head and just gently hold. You can even wrap your right hand behind your back, keeping your chest up, and just hold. Gently, gently pressing down on your head. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Tilt your chin up towards the left. Right hand places on the left side of your head. Wrap that left arm around behind your back. And then gently press down. And breathe. Here for 3, 2, 1. And release. Beautiful job. Now let's get down to the floor. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to reach up high. Inhale. Exhale. Forward fold. Yes. Bend those knees down. Walk it out to your knees. Let's do some cat-cows. Okay, guys? So inhale. Cow. Arch your back. Lift your head. Exhale. Cat. Chin to chest. Round through that upper spine. Inhale. Cow. Exhale. Cat. Inhale. Cow. Exhale. Cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. 1 more little times on your own. Go ahead and get those big toes to touch, knees wide, sit your butt back on your heels, forehead on the floor, stretch those hands towards the top of your mat, and hold and breathe, getting into the hips. 3, 2, 1, come back up, squeeze the knees together, squeeze your feet together, sit your butt back on your heels, bow down, stretching the lower back. You might even feel a stretch in your upper back. Here for 3, 2, 1, come back to your tabletop, step your foot in between your hands. Now, place your chest on top of your front thigh, tuck your left toes, lift that back knee up, lower it further down onto the mat. Now we're stretching our left hip. So you should feel that tension in that left hip. If you want a deeper stretch, place your right hand outside your right thigh, left hand on the inside of your thigh. Rise up, roll your shoulders down the back and hold. If this is too much, just bring yourself back down to the floor. You'll be okay. So here we are. I stay here or I'm here. Here for 4, breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now let's switch. So we're going to tuck those back toes, and we're going to switch our legs. That left foot in between your hands, chest on that top thigh. Tuck the right toes, lift that back knee up, and then lower that knee further down the mat. Feel that stretch through your right hip. Hold. Or rise up. Remember, hands on either side of your thigh, and you hold here. If this is too much, you come back down to this position. Holding for 5. Breathe. 4. 3, 2, 1, and release the pose. Tuck those back toes. Switch your feet back to a tabletop. Go ahead and sit on your left hip. Bring the soles of those feet together, hands around the tops of your feet, and butterflies. Wee, flying away. Here for 3. There you go. Breathe. 2, and 1. Right leg in, left leg out. Inhale, reach up high. Exhale, forward fold, stretching those hamstrings and those calf muscles. If you don't touch your toes, it's okay. Just keep reaching. 3, 2, and 1. Now watch what I do. Right hand behind your right sit bone. Left hand sweeps over and back. Lift up onto your knees and reach back. Reach to those toes, reach to those fingertips. Here for 3, 2, sit down. Switch, left foot in, right foot out. Reach up high, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Reaching for those toes. 2, 1, and release the pose. Left hand behind your left sit bone. Now sweep your right arm over and back. Lift those hips up onto your knees, stretching through the toes and the fingertips. Reach for 3, 2, 1, and sit down. Nice work, guys. So we've stretched all through our bodies, and if you'd like to just, lay on your back like this and relax for 1 minute, I highly suggest you do that. Make that time to do nothing, because we always are in the chaos of life. Go ahead and lay down and just rest for 1 minute. Let your legs and your feet sink down to the floor. Put your shoulders away from your earlobes, head heavy, and even open up your jaw a little bit. Release that tension in your jawline. And then you just let go.